Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. So, if you're a manager and you're trying to wrap your head around what this whole AI revolution means for you and your team, well, you are in the perfect spot. Today, we're going to break down a really clear path to not just get by, but to actually lead the way in this new age of AI. So, here's our game plan. First, we're going to pin down the real challenge that AI is throwing at leaders today. Then, we'll walk through a complete roadmap to become an AI-powered manager. We'll break that down into three key parts: upgrading your skills, developing your people, and of course, leading with responsibility. And by the end, you'll have a crystal clear picture of what the AI-powered manager of the future really looks like. All right, let's dive right in. Look, the rise of AI, it isn't just another tech trend you can track on some spreadsheet. No, this is a fundamental shift, and it's creating a serious dilemma for managers everywhere. I mean, this is the big question on every manager's mind, isn't it? And it kind of feels like both. You've got all this excitement about what's possible, but there's also this very real anxiety about getting left behind or, making the wrong call. And this is the honest truth for every single manager right now. Those playbooks we've all relied on for years, they're becoming obsolete in real time. So ignoring AI, that's just not an option. The only question that really matters is, how are you going to lead with it? So how do you actually do that? Well, the good news is you don't have to figure it all out on your own. Let's take a look at a structured roadmap that was designed by Microsoft and LinkedIn to guide you right through this transformation. Okay, first, let's just make sure we're on the same page. When we talk about AI in this context, we're really talking about generative AI. So think of it less like a calculator that just crunches existing data and more like a creative partner. Something that can generate brand new content, from drafting your emails to brainstorming big ideas and even writing code. So this roadmap brings together 6 distinct courses for a total of about 5 hours of content. And it combines them all into one single comprehensive path that's designed to take you from feeling uncertain to feeling totally AI-powered. And here's the full lineup. As you can see, the path covers everything, from your practical day-to-day management stuff to those big future-focused career conversations, and even the ethics of responsible AI with experts like Ashley Hurd and Dr. Terry Horton. It really is a complete approach to building up your skills. Okay, so let's dig into that first big pillar of the roadmap: upgrading your core management skills. This is where AI stops being some abstract idea and starts changing how you actually get work done, day in and day out. This part is all about getting an immediate, tangible impact. We're talking about learning to use AI not just to boost your team's productivity, but to actually amplify your own critical thinking skills. That's how you become a more strategic and ultimately a more effective leader. So what does that look like in practice? Well, it means using AI to run way better meetings, maybe by having it summarize action items for you instantly. It means crafting performance feedback that's data-informed and actually gets results. And it means finding totally new ways to boost your team's overall productivity. The instructor, Ashley Hurd, who teaches the Become an AI-Powered People Manager course, she puts it perfectly. This is all about harnessing these cutting-edge tools to get fundamentally better at the core job of being a manager. Now, being a great manager, it's not just about efficiency, right? It's about people. So the second pillar of this roadmap zooms in on exactly that: how you guide and develop your team in this completely new landscape. And notice how the focus here is 100% on the human side of things. This whole pillar is about using AI not to replace connection, but to make it stronger. It's about having smarter career conversations, making your coaching more impactful, and really truly partnering with your employees to co-create what's next for them. This quote from Dr. Terry Horton just nails the shift. Your role changes from just dictating tasks to guiding and facilitating. You become a coach who helps your team navigate all this change and discover new opportunities together. Okay, so we've got the practical skills and we've got the people skills. The final piece of the puzzle, and this is a crucial one, is the strategic and ethical framework. This is all about leading with responsibility. See, being an AI-powered manager is about more than just knowing which buttons to push. It means you understand the principles behind responsible AI. It means you practice ethical AI in every decision. And it means you make sure that as you bring these tools in, you are actively promoting inclusivity and fairness, not accidentally creating new biases. So, what does responsible AI actually mean for a manager on the ground? It means you're treating things like ethics, fairness, and transparency as core design features, not as an afterthought. It's about being accountable for how these tools are used and actively fighting the biases that can so easily creep in. And this isn't just a compliance thing, it's a foundational requirement for building trust and for modern leadership.
So after you've gone through this whole journey, after you've built these 3 pillars, what do you become? You become the AI-powered manager. And here's the payoff. The AI-powered manager is strategic. You're applying AI thoughtfully to your core work. You're incredibly efficient, boosting productivity for yourself and your team. But, and this is key, you remain fundamentally human-centric, focused on coaching and growth. In all of it, every single part is built on an ethical foundation of responsibility and fairness. It's the whole package.
And that really brings us to our final thought. Your team, they're looking to you for guidance. They're trying to navigate this new world, and they're ready to adapt. The only question left is, are you ready to lead them? Thanks for watching The Explainer.